Hello my loves, my name is Joe and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking you through one of our creatures of darkness, and that is the Frankenstein. So this collection, as all the creatures of darkness, comes with 5 shadows, a highlighter, a lip product. This collection is very monochromatic. That's something that we wanted to go with for this collection. The rest of the colours, I would say, have more contrast in that collection, but with this we just really wanted to have that little monochromatic moment because 1, I love a monochromatic moment. 2, these shadows obviously pair so well together. You see, if you just wanted to do your basic eye look, you've got your transition, your crease, your outer corner, all over the lid, and then down the centre, perfect. These greens are so wearable. Some greens, I know that it can be a bit of a, what's the word? Intimidating colour to work with. Green because you don't want to look like, do you know what I mean? And I hate that sound anyway. Every eyeshadow colour is wearable. With this, we've got this gorgeous, soft, grey, green matte. Rejection. If you have denial that comes with the Ghost subscription box this month, denial is a blue toned grey. This is a green toned grey, and it is absolutely stunning. This colour, like, it's just that it's so soft, it is so buttery. Honestly, that is one of my favourite colours of all the colours that we have released this month. Up next, we have Shunned from Society, the Midtone green. It's a Midtone green, but it's got a sort of a, do you see what I mean? It's got like a sort of a brownie, the grey tones there, but not as strong. So these two colours together, absolute match made in heaven. Again, it goes on so soft, so buttery. This collection, this whole collection is soft, it's buttery, it's pigmented. And really, it's just a real pleasure to work with. It's one of those collections that you get, and one I am so inspired by. Obviously, whenever I done this look, I done the full monster, full Frankenstein's monster. He's alive. But this collection is definitely so. If you wanted to put this on every single day, you could. It's that kind of undertone to it where it's not like startling, or like this color here, Alchemist. It's it's a very, very dark green matte. You put that on your any look, even with a brown, that would pair dead well. Watch and I'll show you. Look. Now you tell me that wouldn't be an amazing eye look. Imagine putting this dark and green all over the eye and then blending that out with like a nice soft sandy brown colour. That is stunning. It is glam, it is easy. To be honest with you, me and Sarah, obviously we're performers as makeup artists, so we go all out. But really, all these collections are very wearable, you know, we just get a bit carried away, having a wee cup of coffee. Have you seen this? It's an Oreo and a bar of chocolate. So, just having that. So, those are the mattes in the collection. Then the 2 shimmers. This stunning little number, Adam of Labours. Like, look at that. Like, you can see how well that pairs. This colour with the Midtone green, look how well those 2 colours work together. The matte, the shimmer, they were made to really be like twins. And then obviously we had to go high intense shimmer. This colour is so beautiful. Bolted moment. Are you messing? That is, it's got such a reflect too. See, with this shimmer's more of it, it shows that green. This one is like, whew, high intense, high shine, stunning, so soft to apply, so easy to apply. Applies well with your finger, with a brush, then a satin spray to really like, whew, amped it up. And also, do you know, any shimmer you can just over some glitter glue to really like lock it in place, like my eye. Whenever I open my eyes, obviously the whole lid, gone, magic trick. So sometimes, if I know I want longevity to look, I'll just throw a little bit of glitter primer, throw on a shimmer shadow over it, and it lasts all day. Tricks to the trade. We have got our highlight, the Fate of Frankenstein. Highlight again comes in one of our good sturdy, our little compacts, good sturdy mirror, and it's a good mirror as well, you know. Hi. look at that. It's quite a white highlighter, but it's definitely got a little bit of a green undertone to it. You can really blend it out, share it out, and that, my loves, is going to have you blinding. So it really gives you that wet look to the skin. Obviously we have highlighters in our collection, such as Bright, which is more of a lit from within sheen. This is high tense, high beaming out, giving it the full impact. And then the lip product of this collection, Elizabeth's End, is, oh my god, we love a little green moment. Hello. That is so beautiful. Love the smell of these, you know. Did you know our liquid lipsticks has a secret scent that's in every single one of our matte lipstick products? So there we go. That is just, now look, that, these three just together, that sort of like same tonal but just a little bit different colour story, I adore. This colour works perfect with any, and again, obviously this is green and some people are a little bit intimidated over like wearing greens, but this is so much more wearable than say like, and again, hate that phrase, please don't think that I'm saying that stuff aren't wearable, because have you seen me on the daily? Who am I to talk? It's so much more socially accepted, I would say, this sort of green with like that sort of undertone. It's got like a bit of a brown in it, muted down, it's grounded in those earthy tones. It is such a beautiful colour, and really it would work for any skin tone. It's just so, I absolutely adore this colour. I'm so happy that we released it. So yeah, that's the Frankenstein's collection, available until the 31st of October, Halloween. So if you're interested, buy an idea, avoid disappointment, because they will be going away then. There is bundle options on the website. You can either get all the shadows, either get the highlighter and the lip together in a bundle, or get the full set, retailing for $63, which is an absolute steal, I must say myself. So that's that, guys. I shall speak to you soon, my loves. Joe to the look. Fantastic. See you in the next one.